What's up, everybody? Today, just gonna go over um, trading. You know what I did. So, if you haven't been on my channel before, I talk about random stuff, and I also dedicate a good amount of my time to learning how to trade stocks. And so, today was the day I traded a stock, and I lost money. I lost $350 day trading this stock, as you can see here, CCXI. Um, I am not a professional trader. You do not follow my advice. This is me just sharing like what I've been doing, documenting my losses, if any gains, because I kind of suck at this, to be honest. And so I'm practicing with real money. This is not fake money. Like you could make a paper account, which is fake money, but it's a real live account. I worked 2 years saving my money and saved like $30,000 and put it into TD Ameritrade to trade stocks. So I also have another broker called Robinhood, and right there, um, I was trying to day trade, but it's not suited for day trading. It's more for like investing and putting in your money for long term. You could do options and option options on Robinhood, but now that TD Ameritrade has zero commissions, meaning it's free in every aspect in terms of stocks and options, I decided to switch all my money to um, TD Ameritrade. I was gonna do a challenge for Robinhood, but now that Robinhood is pretty much in terms of price, Robinhood and TD Ameritrade are pretty much the same. I'm just gonna shift my money over to TD Ameritrade. There's no real point in using Robinhood, in my opinion. And so, the only reason I'll use Robinhood is for maybe looking at the option chain, and that's it. So today, that's all I wanted to share. If you have any like comments, put them down below. This video is just to share what I did. I took a loss. Let me show you here. Took a loss of, you can see right here, $353. It's still moving around. Market's already closed, but I do have an option um, on it where if the stock price goes down, I make money. That's what I was betting. I was betting it was gonna go down. It In the last minute it went up, and I had a very big position. I lost money. So what can I do? It's my fault. I did the trade. Um, this is totally my responsibility. So if you're wondering if you should trade with $25,000 to get over the PDT rule, it helps in some sense that you can cut your losses, but to a point, to a certain point, you start to do dumb things. And I did a dumb thing today where I overtraded. I put too much size, and my strategy wasn't clear, and I pretty much stayed with the market for too long. Like I from morning to close. That's way too long. That's unnecessary. That's very dumb, to be honest. And day trading should be about like getting the right strategy and opportunity combine and then execute. So today I did failed in all three of those things. I was being stubborn by just sticking around, like, see what happens, and then putting big sizes. So I did overtrade. I went in and out, in and out, in and out, a lot of times. My loss could have been way less. It could have even been positive. It was positive in the morning, and like I had, a positive account. Like I had made like $10, $15, and I decided to bet on this one, and I lost $355. So um, it's something that takes practice. It's something that I'm gonna keep practicing throughout the years. It's gonna take a very long time just to get good at this, and this is a very difficult thing to do because it's your money on the line, and you can lose a good amount of it if it's not properly managed. So with that, stick around for later videos by subscribing, like the video, and you will see more losses like this. Actually, not losses, hopefully not losses. Hopefully I get good at this, and I could, recuperate the money that I've lost, and eventually become a good profitable trader, just a stable trader, or even just somebody who will invest properly for the long run. But with that said, do not follow my advice and do not follow my ideas. These are just my opinions. These are just um, documentations, video documentations of my progress, and I'm just putting it out there. So, um, if you have any video suggestions in terms of trading, let them put them down below. I could make a review whether TD Ameritrade is a good broker, which I think it's okay because execution's not the best. Like you don't get the best price. Does have like maybe a 3 second delay. Um, and Robinhood, I'm just not gonna use it anymore because it's this TD Ameritrade is better than Robinhood. It's not as simple because you can see all these little dumb things that show up on the screen. It's too many little things, but they're kind of useful. Robinhood is too simple, where it's like, okay, let me just put my money there and it can be lost quite easily. So there you have it, my day to day, and a couple minutes and 7 minutes or so, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.